Hi, I'm Terry with Puro3, and I'm excited to tell you about our ozone-infused jojoba oil. We start with organic jojoba oil and infuse it with high-purity ozone, which creates a clean moisturizer that absorbs incredibly well and can be used to support your skincare routine. Ozone is a naturally occurring substance celebrated for its powerful antimicrobial benefits. When carefully infused into the nourishing jojoba oil, it transforms into a soothing, easy-to-use topical. Our ozone-infused jojoba oil can be gently applied to the face or other delicate areas, helping to rehydrate, protect, and revitalize the skin. Ozone-infused jojoba oil maintains a salve-like consistency at room temperature. Above this temperature, it may thin out and become more liquid. This is completely normal and especially common during the summer months. Just place your jar of ozone-infused jojoba oil in the refrigerator to cool, and it will return to its typical consistency. At Puro3, our products are made in a state-of-the-art facility with organic plant-based ingredients and no harsh, unnecessary additives. To preserve freshness and potency, products are carefully stored cold until fulfillment. While refrigeration isn't necessary, keeping your products chilled will help preserve their quality for the long term. If you've never tried ozone-infused jojoba oil, it has a unique and noticeable scent, recognized for its clean, fresh, and electric character. We package it in a 2-ounce glass jar with the optional added rose botanicals. Discover how Puro3's ozone-infused jojoba oil can enhance your daily skincare routine today. Simple, safe, and pure. Wellness powered by ozone.